Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 15th, 2026. Got back from Northeast Tennessee where the property that we're evaluating is located the day before yesterday. Todd, who you've met before, who's helped out with the demo work and recently helped out with getting the greenhouse ready for the plants. And we drove down over 1 day period, and a little over 12 hours with supercharger stops, probably 13 or 13 and a half hours. So it worked out pretty well. We stayed in Northeast Tennessee, and then we went to the property the next day, and then traveled home the third day, which was the day before yesterday. So everything went fairly well. The scope of the land looks very good. It is pretty steep, the slope there. It is, although it's their 2-lane road that it's on, it is very serpentine between the mountains, up and down, and it isn't quite 2 lanes like our road here in front of our property. It's narrower than that, where one vehicle, like with the Cybertruck, have to pull a couple wheels off the road to let another vehicle get by and all. So yeah, so that's one thing. The property itself has got pretty steep slope, and so that's another thing. So I don't know that they'll be able to get a modular home up on the site. So that's one of the things I'm trying to do now, is look for contractors and trying to find out what the modular home sales places that are local down there have to say about delivering you know, a large ranch style home up onto the what's the area that we're calling the lower meadow, which is where it would go. So otherwise, so Todd, there'll be a couple of videos showing up soon. One of them will be Todd using this camera with a gimbal walking around. He makes some comments, but a lot of it's quiet, so you can hear all the birds and all. And there's an abundance of wildlife there. We saw deer and turkeys and all while we were there. The view on the property is fantastic. It's fantastic. Looking at the mountain ranges and all. And I really like the property an awful lot. And it's remote enough, just the right amount of being remote enough. So all of that looks really good. It's a pretty steep slope. It's all, if we were younger and Thea was healthier, there'd be no question everything would work out great. But eventually we got to get Thea down there so she can look at the property and experience it as well. And there's a lot of work that have to be done in order to move all of our stuff there, the equipment that we have and all, because it's a virgin mountainside, which needs a fair amount of work. But there'll be some videos. There were some challenges, so I was planning on getting the Skydio 2, the drone, up to look around and get that perspective as well. Next time I go down, I'll bring that. But yeah, George, the geologic engineer, he subcontracted out someone who lacks experience operating the excavator. So and he didn't bring enough diesel fuel. Got one hole done. There's 16 excavations that have to be done to test the soil at different levels, and test the density of the soil as well. So hopefully that got done on Wednesday. This is Friday now, so I don't know that it things just weren't efficient with the subcontractor with the excavator. So, and I spoke with George about that afterwards before we drove home here. And yeah, I think that's about it with that. So there'll be a couple of videos showing me walking up the excavator, getting tired out, trying to make it all the way up to the upper meadow, and and one possibly me talking about things on the property. Another one, which will probably go up tomorrow, which is the one where Todd took this camera set up here and walked around the property, and you could hear the wildlife as well because he was pretty quiet. So anyways, I'm out here in the first food forest and just looking. Apple trees, we've got some nice flowers open now. Really, really nice. And everything's weeks ahead of us here, down there. A month, it's at least a month ahead of us. So like here's a red bud here, but their red buds are already leafed out down there. And I do see some persimmons on their property, so that's good. The peaches have already had their flowers. The Asian pears have had their flowers. And you can see our winds. I've got a tree blown over up in the front there. One of our blue spruces blew over. Eventually I got to get up there and stand it up and stake it. And you can see here, this one when it blew over. Now the deer have been munching on all the leaves here. So anyways, things are going pretty well. Just feel pressured to try and find, well, make sure that everything's right for the site, and then find either a modular home place that can deliver to there and feel comfortable about setting it on a foundation, find contractors to put in the foundation, and getting power, and a well has to be drilled there, and getting power up there because they're pretty long runs. So, and everything I do here, I do direct burial with power lines, and that'll be an issue with direct burial. Going up there would be very, very expensive. I may have to have telephone poles there, which I really don't like doing because the gauge of the wire is going to be tremendous, and copper and aluminum are right up there in price right now. So yeah, I'm going to do some things now, get a couple of things done here. This afternoon I've got phone calls. I did speak with Henry while we're on the trip. It looks like the first or second week of June, Henry will be able to get over here and start the siding, and hopefully he can get it all finished. I really stress that because right now our insurance company really needs to have a finished building here, and I didn't realize I'd have so much troubles with the Amish crew getting them to come in and complete things and do it all correctly. So that's been a challenge. Anyways, that's where we're at this point. I'm gonna get busy and see if I can do some hardwood cuttings of some black currants that I dug up before I left and start things out now. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I hope you all stay safe and take care, and we'll see what you have to say about the videos that are coming up in the very near future. All right, bye-bye now.